if you are a small local business or you have a big business, it doesn't matter. But if you are doing it locally, you have to list it on Google Business. This is very important, believe me, it's very important. If you have an optimized website, optimized social media accounts, and everything is optimized, but you don't have an optimized my business Google My Business account, it's useless, because Google My Business is very important for your brand, for your business. So if you don't know how to make a business account, you can comment in that video. I will make a separate video for that, but now I make a whole video how to schedule your content for my business. Like, Google My Business is not providing a specific platform to do that, like to schedule a day, to schedule your posts or videos, but you can use different extensions. I have used one in this video to teach you about how to do that. So it's not free, but it has a 40 days free trial, so you can do it. So this is the tool called Publer. This is used to schedule. The free account gives you the permission to add 3 accounts. So how to add accounts? Like, when you create your account, your free account, you have to sign it up. If you don't know how to sign up, comment, I will make a video for you. So this is a calendar, and I have added Ali Develops. This is my Google profile. So if you want to add more accounts, you can go and add account from there. So like, I like to add LinkedIn. So this is how, like, I want to add page, my LinkedIn page of Ali Develops. So this is how I can add that. Okay, just a minute. So this is how I added that, and it is now I can make a post. Connect, and it will connect it. Now the 2 accounts are connected. So this is how I post. Now I want to create a post for like March 3 or March 4. For March 3, click and drag. If you have, like, you have upload from Drive, OneDrive, or whatever you want. So I want to drag from computer. So this is my, suppose I want to post this. Then I will write the description, or hey, well, so this is how I can add. If I want to add hashtags, I simply write hashtag. So look at this. This is one of the best thing. You can also search from keywords, and if you have already, like I have already searched for my keywords, or etc., you have to add that. If you want to add button, you can do it from there, like order online or buy or book a call. Okay, then there are the photos, cover, profile, logo, whatever you want. If you have events, then you can also post events on that. This is location, if you want to add location, or if you want to change something or add signature, like this is the signature. So this is a lot of stuff you can do. So that is how you can schedule it. Now if I click schedule, it will schedule, and if I want to add time, you can also adjust your time accordingly. So I don't want to make a post, like I just want to teach you how to do that. So this is how you can make you can schedule post. Like, this is for Google My Business, and this is for Ali Develops. So that is how you can make it happen. So subscribe to learn more about all these things. You can also view how your post is looking in mobile view or in desktop view. This is LinkedIn. You can select from there whatever you want. This is in LinkedIn. LinkedIn like this. My page name. Now this is description, this is photo, and this is how. If you want a mobile view, you can click it and it is mobile view. So if you want to bold it, you can bold it from there. So this is how you can schedule different posts. So that is how you can post.